and I'm still doing Ryan's little building thing. And last time I built this whole thing, and I had no help.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was so fun.
You didn't even use the instructions?
No. Okay, and I put this piece right on here. Wait, I'm not done. So I had to do and like step to instructions. I'm like, I don't need those. I still have a ruler.